Writing the classic Hello World program in D. It's a pretty quick, easy program. We'll just call it hello.d. First, we import standard.standard.io, which allows us to do basic input and output. And then void main. It's void because we don't have any return type on such a simple program. You'll see this is very similar to C and C++. And then writeLine, which is a function that we get from importing standard IO. Hello world. And this will print hello world to the screen or to the console, and then enter a carriage return or a line return. And then close the curly bracket, the curly brace, save it. And then it's as simple as running the D compiler. And it's all compiled quick as that. You can see that we have these files as output, hello.o, the object file, and hello, the main compiled program. And there you go. Hello world. That is the very quick and simple way to write the basic Hello World program in the D programming language.